Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Blessed Sunday to everyone. Late ako ngayon. Pero hindi bale, mag-church ako doon sa pinsan namin si Ate Nancy. Si Pastora Nancy Yangat. Medrano. Ingat tayong lahat. Church muna, seek ye first the kingdom of God. Kaya tara, simba muna tayo bago tayo maggala. Hi, good morning. Sunday, it's day of day. Konyang day today. Kaya, tara, off tayo. Pasyal tayo. Church pala. Bye! Ingat everyone. Good day. Blessed Sunday to everybody. Ciao la. God bless. Bye.